Hello, so I'm back again, and today I want to talk about a website that's going to pay you to play games online. Okay, so now I know this sounds too good to be true, but it's actually legit. I've tried it myself, and it's called FreeCash. Let me make it clear that this is a side hustle. It's not a full-time job. You're not going to make a lot of money, but you'll make some decent money, especially if you are in South Africa or other African countries. Okay, so you can play games online every day or whatever based on your the time that you have on your hands. Right, so anybody can do this, students, unemployed people, and even people that are working. Right, so without wasting any time, let's check this website out.
All right, guys. So what I'm gonna do is that I'll put the link to this website in the description box below. Ne? So this is where you're gonna come to sign up on freecash.com, and then after signing up, you'll basically get an email saying you should verify your email. After you verify your email, you'll be redirected to um, another page whereby you'll sign into your account, right? And then when you sign in, this is where you'll come. Right? Your page should look like this. This is my account. Um, okay, so let's look at these games, right? So if you look at this one here, it pays $28, and then this one below pays $45. This one pays $325, and this one pays $33, and then this one is $201. So it's there's a lot of games that you can play here. A lot of games. This one it's $308. So look, you can actually make money from this site, but let me tell you something. It's not gonna be easy. As much as the website is called Free Cash, making money on this website is not gonna be easy. I'm not gonna lie. So you're going to have to put a lot of time, okay? Because some of these games you need to finish them in, let's say, maybe some will say in 2 weeks, and then some will say in 4 weeks. It depends on every game, okay? And then some of these games just have a lot of adverts in between, so that kind of makes it hard for you to actually complete some of the missions, right? But if you put in a few minutes or a few hours every day, you can actually make some money. In a few weeks you could make, I don't know, 30 to $50, depending on how much time you actually put in these games. All right, but like I said, remember, you're not going to make a lot of money on this, right? It's a side hustle, right? So, and then how are you going to get paid? So if you look at here, on in my account I have $1.20, right? I've actually played some games and I've cashed out, and then this is how much I have here in the account right now. Okay, so they will pay you via PayPal. You need to have a PayPal account. Okay, download a PayPal and then link it to your bank account, and then after playing a game and then finishing some levels, they will send you your money into your free cash account. And then what you're going to do is that you're going to move that money into your PayPal account, and then you can transfer the money from your PayPal account into your bank account. Okay, I hope everything makes sense. Um, yeah, just check it out. You don't have anything to lose. You can make some decent money, right? Put in some few minutes, some few hours, depending on how busy you are, and you can make some cash on this platform. All right, and yeah, that's just about it regarding this platform. Hopefully, I'm not forgetting anything. This is this is where you cash out. You'll come here, all right, and PayPal. You'll click PayPal, and then that's where you'll transfer your money into the PayPal account, and then again you'll move the money from your PayPal account into your actual bank account. All right. So yeah, that's basically it.
So hopefully this video has been helpful to you. Remember to share this on your social media platforms with your families, your friends, boyfriends, girlfriends, if you have more than one. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with more content like this. And yeah, bye for now.